Hello! For those of you who don't know, my name is Satish Kai Stanton. I am about to embark on a solo motorcycle road trip in the morning, butt crack of dawn. And there's gonna be a lot of pictures and a lot of videos to come. I want to get this introduction out of the way and posted so that it's a little bit of an intro for the adventure. I'm excited for you to join me on my motorcycle adventure, and it's gonna be a wild ride. Going from Santa Barbara to Washington, back down again. And yeah, just showered, got clean, start off in the morning on the road at 6. Fun. Stay tuned. Really glad to have you here.